Setting up your campsite, people have the argument fifth wheel travel trailer, which is easier. A lot of fifth wheels out there nowadays, and this is where K-Z kind of shines. They have auto level. You push one button, you get electric jacks on the front, electric jacks on the back, so you're camping before you know it. With the Sportsman, you get a lot of extras, the way that K-Z does it. Extra climate package on it so you can go later in the season. Larger slides, great bedroom clearance so taller people can fit inside the bedroom, right, without having to duck and get around the bed. So K-Z, they've been around since 1972, so it's been a great product. We've had it in our lineup for probably the last 15 years. Towing a fifth wheel, you know, a lot of people say you lose the box space in your truck. K-Z does it a little different with the Sportsman, where they have fold-down racks on the back where you can carry your bike or your generator. The front storage compartments are huge, so there's a lot of extra ways that you can put stuff in storage rather than using the box of your truck. All the space inside here, when the weather does turn and it is raining outside or it is getting a little chilly, you can come inside and be comfortable in a fifth wheel because it gets so much space. People come in and they want to finance it, and we can do an amortization over 20 years. And you know what? Doing it over the 20 years gets you the nice minimum payment that you're looking for, or a low payment, the way that our finance department works. Not everybody keeps them for that long. In that 3-year period, 5-year period, when you want to come trade it in, you're going to come back to Bucars because we set you up with the right payment level, we set you up with the right unit, you're going to love it, and our service department shines. So you're going to come back and make sure that you get taken care of properly. And you want to come back and see your sales consultant. Come talk to Dean.